For the first look, button up your shirt and take the bottom part of the shirt and tie them together nicely. You can also roll up your sleeves for a more prominent look. This is one of the most basic and cool look, and I paired it with a super skinny blue denim. For this one, button up your shirt and take the bottom part and tuck it in there. Don't worry about anything falling out because it's just tucked in there. This is super cute. It looks like it's wrapped in the middle. For this look, button up your shirt and put the bottom part of the shirt together. Then take a bangle or a ring and just pull that part from it. Then just like the previous look, tuck the remaining part in there and it's done. This is very fun and classy look. Do try this out. For this one shoulder look, go ahead and put your shirt on one sleeve and have the other one hanging below your armpit. Then take that sleeve and the opposite bottom side of your shirt and tie them in a knot. This look is super cool, and if you want, you can also tuck the remaining part in your pants. As you guys can see, I have my shirt on and just have the sleeves dangling. Go ahead, keep the sleeve and tie them in front. And it's done. This look is so cute, it's flowing, it's definitely good when it's super hot in the summer. As you can see, I have 4 buttons at the bottom done. Just go ahead and roll up your shoulders and then it becomes tight around your shoulder. Then take the bottom part of the shirt and tie them in a knot. I love this look. I think that it's just super fun and super easy to do at the same time. For this look, put your shirt on backwards, then tuck your collar in for a clean look, and then just take the bottom to do a double knot. And then you have a reverse back shirt look. It looks super cute, just like basic high neck shirt. You have also that cute little detail on the back, as you guys can see it. For this one, I'm going to tuck it off the shoulder on the other side and then take the bottom part of the shirt and tie them into a tight knot. There you go, you have a cute little off the shoulder tuck, gives you a little something while also slaying.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share and comment.